pig eating feeding here. This is the pig eating, by the way.
Face the microphone.
Oh, yeah. Stop peeing. Stop peeing. Do you have to pee? Like, while you're eating? You know how rude that is?
No peeing at the dinner table.
The dinner pen.
Look at the duck on the tape.
Okay, ready? Am I doing it right?
What's up, duck?
Touch it again, ready? Try and pick it up.
No, normally they flap their wings.
Oh, it hasn't fought this week yet?
Surprisingly. Look at, he's just staring again. He's like, oh my god, he's coming after me. He's gonna eat me.
Just don't look it in the eyes. Don't look it in the eyes.
Oh, you bitch. Mallard!
Look at, look at,
What? Yeah.
look at that duck.
Hi. Hi, Mom.
It's the one staring again. Oh,
Yeah.
he was sitting there staring again.
Ew, don't drink that. That's gross. Go in the
Hi.
pond if you want to drink.
Take pee.
What pond?
Can't take them.
Eric. Oh, mallards are not that friendly.
Mine were.
Get it.
Gotta get closer.
There's one. You go back. I want you to use that one. That'd be awesome. Are you still videotaping this?
Yes.
Oh, he's gonna eat it. Eat it.
Eat what?
The duck.
Look at him go. Thinking about it. Thinking about it.
I think they only eat vegetables.
Oh, good. Oh man, why do I have such a craving for bacon and ham?
So wrong.
Or roast pig.
Oh my god, dude. I want to eat ham right now. But I roast bacon.
Hey, don't touch that. What are you doing? That's not for you. That's for the piggies. That's not for you. Hey, piggy, piggy.
Hey!
Piggy, piggy. Look, he comes when you call him.
Ooh.
The pig. Piggy, 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 piggy.
Would you like some
Maybe he
grass?
just smells my meat and he's hungry.
Grassy. No, you're supposed to keep it in your mouth, not spit it out.
I'm dirty with this now.
Hey, piggy, 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 piggy. That's why when people have messy rooms, they say, God, you're a pig.
Or it's a pigsty.
Do you get it now, Billy?
Or that it's a pigsty.
Yeah.
I just never